Hi everybody, this is Karen and I'm at the Hygieia Network with my new friends, and we're just going to talk a little bit about how the day went and what they learned. I did a 2-hour session on gender equality. Let's see, how did it go for both of you?
For me, it was excellent. Trust me. I learned so much about being a woman in business. I almost started to tell my whole life story, starting cleaning. Karen, you nail it. I have notes that I take away from your session that I'm going to implement in my leadership skill, being a woman in business. Trust me, I learned so much from you. The main part of it is the statistics that you gave on the woman and childcare and all of that. I was flabbergasted. I'm not lying. I was like, oh my God. And I'm a person who likes statistics, but when I saw those today, it really tells me something that, women can be much more valuable to society. And with women like Karen, who teaches somebody like me who owns a cleaning company, I'm very much appreciative of her session today. Thank you so much, Karen.
Thank you, it was such a pleasure.
Yes,
Thank you for standing up and speaking and sharing your experience.
Thank you.
You put the story to the statistics that we were talking about.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thanks a lot.
And how was your experience today?
It was very great. It was very informative. I learned so much as a newbie in the business.
Yeah?
This is like a beginning for me to network, to learn from experienced gurus, cleaning gurus in the industry. And what I took away from your training was, I think you said equality is not
The same as
the
equity?
same as equity.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's a big takeaway for me. And being an online, like even the man in your surrounding can also be your ally.
Yes,
So,
wonderful.
yeah.
And you flew all the way from Ethiopia to be
I
here.
did.
How do you
This
feel
is-
about
oh
how do you
my
feel about
goodness.
the investment and the time and the effort you made to come here? Was it a good decision?
It was worth it. It was worth 100%.
Wow.
I don't regret the 18 hours flight.
Wow.
I don't regret the hotel cost. I don't regret anything. I've learned so much. In fact,
So
I believe
amazing.
that I've gained more than what I have put out. to come
Amazing.
here.
And isn't that what I said earlier, that like a lot of us start backwards. Like we think we have to get there to invest, but actually when you invest first,
You get
that's when you
there.
unlock all the benefits, right?
Yes,
Exactly.
yes.
Yeah. Well, I'm so grateful to meet both of you. Thank you for being part of the
Thank you,
day and my
yes.
sessions. And
Thank you so much.
we're all going to stay in touch.
Yes,
Yes,
thank you. Thank you so
definitely.
much,
Thank you.
Karen.
Thank
This is
you.
part of the
Bye.
networking process, so
Yes,
thank
yes.
you.
Thank you.